साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ 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 साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। 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 ॐ
Dear devotees, you are about to embark on the greatest journey of your life, a journey to the core of your inner being. Please, all in a low voice, follow the Omkar and let your mind reach a quietude of silence. All together, let us repeat the pranava. please sit up straight. And in the quietness of your mind, hear the sound of your breathing. Breathe in and out. In, out. Now, open your eyes and see the light in front of you. This is the light of a candle. Gaze intently at the light. Now, feel the light shining in the center of your forehead. Now half close your eyes and feel the light in the center of your forehead. Now, let that light come down your neck to the center of your chest. Imagine a flower, a lotus, opening petal by petal to receive the light. Now the light is resting on the lotus. The lotus disappears, only the light remains. But it is no more the light of the candle. It is a round ball of formless light. It is a light of divinity within you. Feel this light now expand, and feel the light going down your body, into your legs, up to your feet. Feel warmth as the light surges through your limbs. And make this mental vow, O Lord, my legs, touched by the light of your divinity, will always take me only to places of goodness. Feel the light surging upwards, up into your chest, around your shoulders, and down into your arms and fingers. Feel the warmth as this light surges through you. Make this mental vow, O Lord, my arms, touched by the light of your divinity, will only yearn to do what is good. Now feel the light surging upwards into your neck and into your face, into your head, and the light now shines in your eyes. Make a vow. My eyes must yearn to see only what is good. Feel the light now shining in your ears. My ears must yearn to hear only what is good. Feel the light now shining on your lips. My lips must yearn to only speak what is good. Now, feel this light now shining into your whole body. The light illumines the body. In your mind, repeat the words, the light is in me. Now feel the light expand. Expand, and you are now sitting in a ball of light, in a cone of formless light. Let your mind say, the light is within me, I am in the light. Feel a thrill of this light, and now feel this light expanding and filling this entire room with a divine glow. And let this light now go beyond this room, beyond and beyond, spreading ever further to this whole country, and beyond this country, beyond oceans and beyond nations. Let this light flow ever outwards to encompass the whole world. Now, imagine yourself, not your physical body, but an inner being within you, like a gigantic divine form, sitting on the globe, and the light of your divinity, the light of your love encompassing the whole world. Stay for a moment, thrilled in that thought. Now, bring into your mind's eye and send your light of love to all the creatures of the world, all the animals and insects, creatures that fly or crawl, all of them are God's creatures. Send your light of love now to those whom you dislike or whom you think dislike you. Send your love, send your light of love to them. The same Atma in you is also in them. Let them feel the radiance of your light. Let them feel the radiance of your love. Now, into your mind's eye, bring those you love, your spouse, children, relations, friends, whoever. Bathe them with the divine glow of your love. Feel oneness with the whole world. Feel at peace with yourself. And now, look inside you. Can you imagine? Do you see a ball of light within you? In this ball of light, bring in the form of the Ishtadeva, the divine being that you love and worship. See this form smiling within you. See this divine form raise his hands in blessing. You have shared your love with the world. Now, receive the blessing and darshan of the divine within. Stay for a moment, thrilled in this thought that you and he are one. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ श्रीभास्कराय विद्महे साईदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सूर्यः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ प्रेमात्मनाय विद्महे हिरण्यगर्भाय धीमहि तन्नः सत्यः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله حي على الصلاة حي على الصلاة حي على الفلاح حي على الفلاح الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله.
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory, forever and ever. Amen.
आज्ञा भैया काल की कभी चलायो बंद सब सीखन को कम है गुरु मानियो ग्रंथ गुरु ग्रंथ जी मानियो प्रगट पुरा की ने जो प्रभु को मिले वो चाहे कोट शब्द मेले राज करेगा खालसा आकी रहे न कोई बार हुए सब मिलेंगे बचे शरण जो होए वाहे गुरु नाम जहाँ रहे चढ़े सुंदर पार जो शरदा कर सेव दे गुर पार उतारन हार जो शरदा कर सेव दे गुर पार उतारन हार बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि धर्मं शरणं गच्छामि संघं शरणं गच्छामि ॐ नमो अहिलन्तानं ॐ नमो सिद्धानं ॐ नमो आर्ययानं ॐ नमो गजाननं नमो ये सब साहुरणं हे सोपं नमो कायो सर्व पाप विनाशनो मंगलानं
अथ पुरुषो ह वै नारायण कामयत प्रजासृजे येति नारायणात् प्राणो जायते मनः सर्वेन्द्रियाणि च संवायुर्ज्योतिरापः पृथिवी विश्वस्य धारिणी नारायणात् ब्रह्मा जायते नारायणात् रुद्रो जायते नारायणादिन्द्रो जायते नारायणात् प्रजापतयः प्रजायन्ते नारायणात् द्वादशादित्या रुद्रा वसवः सर्वाणि च छन्दागुंसि नारायणादेव समुत्पद्यन्ते नारायणे प्रवर्तन्ते नारायणे प्रलीयन्ते अथ नित्यो नारायणः ब्रह्मा नारायणः शिवश्च नारायणः चक्रश्च नारायणः वा पृथिव्यौश्च नारायणः कालश्च नारायणः ईशश्च नारायणः ऊर्ध्वश्च नारायणः अधश्च नारायणः अन्तर्बहिश्च नारायणः नारायण एवेदगुं सर्वं यद्भूतं यच्च भव्यम् निष्कलो निरञ्जनो निर्विकल्पो निराख्यातः शुद्धो एको नारायणः न द्वितीयोऽस्ति कश्चित् एवं वेद स विष्णुरेव भवति स विष्णुरेव भवति ओमित्यग्ने ब्राह्मणे नम इति पश्चात् नारायणायेतु परिष्टा ओमित्येकाक्षरम् नम इति द्वे अक्षरे नारायणायेति पञ्चाक्षराणि एतद्वै नारायणस्याष्टाक्षरम् पदम् यो ह वै नारायणस्याष्टाक्षरम् पदमध्येति अनप्रभव सर्वमायुरेति विन्दते प्राजापत्यगुं राजस्पोषं गौपत्यम् ततो मृतत्वमश्नुते ततो मृतत्वमश्नुत इति य एवं वेद त्यगानन्दं ब्रह्म पुरुषं प्रणवस्वरूपम् अकार उकार मकार इति ताने कदा समभरत्तते तदोमिति यमुक्त्वामुच्यते योगी जन्म संसार बन्धनात् ॐ नमो नारायणायेति मन्त्रोपासकः वैकुण्ठ भुवन लोकं गमिष्यति असिदं परं पुण्डरीकं विज्ञानघनं तस्मात् तदिदावन्मात्रं ब्रह्मण्यो देवकी पुत्रो ब्रह्मण्यो मधुसूदनो सर्वभूतस्थमेकं नारायणं कारणरूपमकार परब्रह्मो एतदधर्वशिरो यो धीते प्रातरधीयानो रात्रिकृतं पापं नाशयति सायमधीयानो दिवसकृतं पापं नाशयति आद्यन्दिनमादित्याभिमुखो धीयान पञ्चपातकोपपातकात् प्रमुच्यते सर्ववेद नारायणं लभते नारायण सायुज्यमवाप्नोति नारायण सायुज्यमवाप्नोति य एवं वेद इत्युपनिषद् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
ॐ अत्रीणात्वा कृमे हन्मि कण्वेन जमदग्निना विश्वावसोर्ब्रह्मणा हतः कृमीणागुं राजा अप्येषागस्थपतिर्हतः अथो माताथो पिता अथो स्थूरा अथो क्षुद्राः अथो कृष्णा अथो श्वेताः अथो आशातिका हताः श्वेताभिः सह सर्वे हताः आहरावद्य श्रितस्य हविषो यथा तत्सत्यं यदमुय्यमस्य जम्भयोः आदधामि तथा हि तत् खण्फण्मृषि ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः.
My humble pranams at the lotus feet of our beloved Bhagwan, Sri Satya Sai Baba. Mahavir Swami ki Jai. Jai Sai Ram and Jai Jinen to everyone. मंगल मंगल होए जगत में सब मंगलमय होए, इस धरती के हर प्राणी का मन मंगलमय होए। कहीं क्लेश का लेश रहे ना, दुख कभी ना होए। मन में चिंता भय न सतावे, रोग शोक नहीं होए। नहीं वैर अभिमान हो मन में, शोभ कभी नहीं होए। मैत्री प्रेम का भाव रहे, नित मन मंगलमय होए। The short prayer I sang meant that only good things should happen in the world. Every being's mind and soul should act good. There should be no pain and fights. There should be no worries and illnesses to anyone. Everyone should live in harmony and peace. Today I am here before you to give a message on Mahavir Jayanti or Mahavir Janma Kalyanak. This is one of the biggest festivals of Jainism. On this day, we celebrate the birth of Lord Mahavira, who came to this world 2600 years ago. He is the 24th and the last Tirthankar of Jainism, and the first Tirthankar widely known to propagate the message of non-violence, detachment and truthfulness. Since March last year, we have seen waves of coronavirus pandemic. We have seen millions of people getting infected and some who lost their lives too. At all this time of distress, there are many teachings that Lord Mahavir gave that suits best in today's world full of uncertainties. It's important to understand as to how Lord Mahavira changed the world through his teachings, how he changed himself from a life of kings to living in the rags, detaching himself from the outer world. There are three main teachings that Lord Mahavira has always taught: the non-violence, detachment and anikantvad, which is many-sidedness. In the past year, we have faced a lot of ups and downs. Some have lost their loved ones and some people are suffering ill health. In this materialistic world, change your priorities. Try to live with the list of needs and not with the list of wants. Happiness is not about getting what you like. Happiness is not about getting what you like. Happiness has a lot to do with liking what you get. We are so busy in getting what we like that we forget to like what we get. So move towards detachment in your life, and it will prove to do miracles, helping you gain more stability in life. Connect Mahavir Swami's teachings to today's world. Waste less and reuse more, which will be a great step towards detachment from things. Mahavir Swami has always said, Ahimsa Parmo Dharma, which means non-violence, is foremost of all principles. The term ahimsa means non-injury and absence of desire to harm any life forms. Researchers have also said that vegetarianism is one of the best diets one can have. And it is one of the main principles which Baba has also said, adding that we should all eat sattvic food and avoid all types of violence against living beings. And last but not the least, Mahavir Swami emphasized that all living beings, irrespective of their size, shape and form, how spiritually developed or underdeveloped, are equal, and we should love and respect all of them. This way, he preached the gospel of universal love. Thus, the principle of Jainism, if properly understood in their right perspective and faithfully adhered to, will bring contentment and inner happiness and joy in the present life. The powers of all sense organs, seeing, hearing, speaking, etc., are derived from the divine. It is the divine that enables the eyes to see, the ears to hear, the mind to think, and to have various experiences. It is when all the sensory processes are brought under unified control by the conquest of the senses that man becomes a conqueror, a Jinnah, as termed by the Jains. Because he had conquered his senses, the title of victor was conferred on Mahavira. It is said by Satya Sai Baba in Satya Sai Speaks, volume 24, at Prashanti Nilayam. I wish you all a very happy Mahavir Jayanti, and may all of you adhere to Lord Mahavira's teachings in your real lives, which will bring more and more happiness, inner stability and joy to your life. Thank you.
श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज निज मन गुरु सुधारी परनो रघुबर बिमल जसु जो दायक फल चारि बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरो पवन कुमार बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हरहु कलेस विकार। जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीस तिहु लोक उजागर रामदूत अतुलित बल धामा अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी कंचन बरन विराज सुबेसा कानन कुंडल कुंचित केसा हाथ वज्र और ध्वजा विराजे कांधे मूंज जनेऊ साजे शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर राम काज करिबे को आतुर प्रभु चरित्र सुनिबे को रसिया राम लखन सीता मन बसिया सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियहि दिखावा विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे रामचंद्र के काज सवारे लाय सजीवन लखन जियाए श्री रघुवीर हर्षि उर लाए रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बड़ाई तुम मम प्रिय भरत ही सम भाई सहस बदन तुम्हरो जस गावे अस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावे सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा नारद सारद सहित अहिसा जम कुबेर दिगपाल जहाते कवि कोविद कहि सके कहाते तुम उपकार सुग्रीवहि कीन्हा राम मिलाय राजपद दीन्हा तुम्हरो मंत्र विभीषण माना लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना जुग सहस्र जो जन पर भानु लील्यो ताहि मधुर फल जानु प्रभु मुद्रिका मेरी मुख माही जलधि लांघि गए अचरज नाही दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते सुगम अनुग्रह तुम्हरे तेते राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे होत न आज्ञा बिनु पैसारे सब सुख लहे तुम्हारी सरना तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना आपन तेज सम्हारो आपे तीनों लोक हांकते कापे भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे महावीर जब नाम सुनावे नासे रोग हरे सब पीरा जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीरा संकट ते हनुमान छुड़ावे मन क्रम बचन ध्यान जो लावे सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे सोई अमित जीवन फल पावे चारों जुग परताप तुम्हारा है पर सिद्ध जगत उजियारा साधु संत के तुम रखवारे असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे अष्ट सिद्धि नौ निधि के दाता असबर दीन जानकी माता राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा तुम्हारे भजन राम को पावे जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे अंत काल रघुबरपुर जाई जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाई और देवता चित्त न धरई हनुमत से सर्व सुख करई संकट कटे मिटे सब पीरा जो सुमिरै हनुमत बलबीरा जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई कृपा करहु गुरुदेव की नाई जो सत बार पाठ कर कोई छूट ही बंदी महा सुख होई जो यह पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा, होय सिद्धि साखी गौरीसा। तुलसीदास सदा हरि चेरा, कीजय नाथ हृदय मह डेरा। कीजय नाथ हृदय मह डेरा। पवन तनया संकट हरना, मंगल मूर्ति रूप। राम लखन सीता सहित, हृदय बसहु सुरभूप।
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा,
Jai बाबा अब मेरे कीर्तन में बाबा अब मेरे कीर्तन अंतर्गामी दर्श अंतर्गामी दर्श नया हमारे पार लगावो नया हमारे पार लगावो बाबा अब मेरे कीर्तन में अंतर ज्योति जलावो साईं अंतर ज्योति जलावो साईं जीवन ज्योति तुम हो साईं जीवन ज्योति तुम हो साईं बाबा अब मेरी कीर्तन अंतर्गामी दर्श नया हमारे पार लगावो बाबा अब मेरे अंतर ज्योति जलावो साईं अंतर ज्योति जलावो साईं जीवन ज्योति तुम हो साईं जीवन ज्योति तुम हो साईं
Swami, take my hand. Jesus, take my hand. Dear Lord, take my hand and lead the way. Swami, take my hand. Jesus, take my hand. Dear Lord, take my hand and lead the way. Swami, take my hand. Jesus, take my hand. Dear Lord, take my hand and lead the way. Swami, take my hand. Jesus, take my hand. Dear Lord, take my hand and lead the way. I'll never forget you, you'll always be with me. Dear Lord, take my hand and lead the way. Never forget you, you'll always be with me. Dear Lord, take my hand and lead the way. I'll never forget you, you'll always be with me. Dear Lord, take my hand and lead the way. I'll never forget you, you'll always be with me. Dear Lord, take my hand and lead the way. Your guide and protector, mother and father. Dear Lord, take my hand and lead the way. Guide and protector, mother and father. Dear Lord, take my hand and lead the way. Teach me loving service, peace and contentment. Dear Lord, take my hand and lead the way. Teach me loving service, peace and contentment. Dear Lord, take my hand and lead the way. Swami, take my hand. Jesus, take my hand. Dear Lord, take my hand and lead the way. Swami, take my hand. Jesus, take my hand. Dear Lord, take my hand and lead the way. Never forget you, you'll always be with me. Dear Lord, take my hand and lead the way. Never forget you, you'll always be with me. Dear Lord, take my hand and lead the way. Your guide and protector, mother and father. Dear Lord, take my hand and lead the way. Guide and protector, mother and father. Dear Lord, take my hand and lead the way. Teach me loving service, peace and contentment. Dear Lord, take my hand and lead the way. Teach me loving service, peace and contentment. Dear Lord, take my hand and lead the way. Teach me loving service, peace and contentment. Dear Lord, take my hand and lead the way. Teach me loving service, peace and contentment. Dear Lord, take my hand and lead the way. Swami, take my hand. Jesus, take my hand. Dear Lord, take my hand and lead the way.
Hare
offer my most humble pranams at lotus feet of our beloved Bhagwan, dearest Swami, respected elders, brothers and sisters, Jai Sai Ram. 10 years ago today, we started celebrating Sri Satya Sai Aradhana Mahotsavam. This particular event has become part of our annual calendar across the world. The 24th April 2012, the first year anniversary or leaving of the physical body. The word Aradhana means worship and Mahotsavam Utsavam means a great festival. Swami says, I am always in you, above you, around you, below you, and with you. You may leave me, but I will never leave you till I deliver you to your destination, which is yourself. We celebrate the Mahotsavam by expressing our love and gratitude for the grace which we receive from Swami. We can show our gratitude to him by following his teachings and continue to serve humanity. This year, here in the UK, we started our 30 day of sadhana from 26th of March to 24th of April. Our offering has been in any one of the following: chanting of any names of chosen deity, reading of Sai literature, chanting of Gayatri Mantra or Sai Gayatri, and Jyoti meditation, and continually praying for welfare of the humanity. Samasta Loka Sukhino Bhavantu. Bhagwan has said on numerous occasions that he will never forsake or disappoint his devotees. If we only hold on to him with absolute faith and love him with all our heart, he will guide us, protect us, and take us across the ocean of life. Jai Sai Ram.
Jai Sai Ram, everyone. On Saturday 24th April, we will be celebrating Aradhana Mahotsavam. We will be having a national program which will be virtual and in 2 parts. The first part of the program will be a human values program from 10 a.m. till 12 p.m. The program will consist of the history of human values, musical performances by artists such as Vade, Gospel Arts Manor, just to name a few. We will also be having an exhibition of how people across the country have demonstrated human values in their local communities during the pandemic, and talks by esteemed faith leaders. The evening program will be from 5 p.m. till 7:30 p.m. and will consist of an international guest speaker talking about their experiences with our dearest Bhagwan, a musical offering, Vedam, bhajans, and a divine discourse. The youth of Leicester Sai Centres have also prepared a virtual musical offering to express our gratitude to our Lord. So please tune in to this on 24th April at 2:30 p.m. Jai Sai Ram.
रही बताओ तू जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक परति महेश्वरा ओम जय जगदीश हरे शशिवदना श्रीकरा सर्वा गणपते स्वामी सर्वा गणपते आश्रित कल्पललिता आश्रित कल्पललिता आपन भागवा ओम जय जगदीश हरे मात पिता गुरुदेवं मरियन्तयुमीवे स्वामी मरियन्तयुमीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नागेन्द्र शयना ॐ जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूप ओजस्वी ओ साई महादेवा सत्य साई महादेवा मंगल आरती मंगल आरती मंगल गिरिधारी ओम जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा ओम शांति 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 समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु शांति 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 जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय
साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात् ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात् ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। 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 ॐ